Hello, welcome to my elementary statistics math 1401 class. So you are in section 07. So section number is 7. Okay, and course registration number is 30393, and the semester is spring 2022. Okay, my name is Budi Pantha. My email address is bpantha@abac.edu. This is my primary email. Please do not email via GeorgiaView, okay? Because I do not check that much. So this is the email that I check all the time. So please, if you want to communicate with me, please email on to this email address, okay? My office is on the Brit Hall 219 room number. My office phone number is 229-391-5272. Class day, hour, and place. So this is online class this semester. Okay. My office hours are Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10:45 to 2 o'clock, and 3:15 to 5 o'clock. Okay. So pretty much I'll be either in the class or in my office on those 2 days. And also I'll be in my office on Mondays 3 to 4 p.m. My office is at Brit 219. Okay. Because of the COVID, if you want to see me in my office, please wear mask. Okay. So you need to wear mask to see me in my office. But there is alternative way to talk to me in my office hours. Okay, to ask questions. You can join virtual meeting by clicking this link. This is my Zoom link. Whenever you click this, it will take you to the Zoom. Okay, and then I'll get an email saying that you want to talk to me, and then I will log into my Zoom. All right. Also, if you log into your email, Outlook email, by the outlook.com, and then enter your email address there, sign in and enter your email address, then there is on the top of that window you will see Teams call. If you press the Teams call there, then there is a way that you can enter my name there. Just enter my name there. Then you can give a call from there. And another way is, and the easiest way I would say, is install a Teams app on your smartphone. And on the Teams app, on the so you will have to use the abac.edu email address when you use the Teams app, okay? And then create an account there, because your email address is already used in the system, so the Teams will recognize your email address there. And then from there you can press plus sign on the top right hand corner of your Teams app, and that way you can type my name and then give me a call that way too. Okay, so there are many ways you can talk to me. All right, so the textbook for this course is a brief version of elementary statistics, a step-by-step approach. You need to buy 8th edition by Alan G. Blumen. Okay, you need to create an account by clicking the www.connectmath.com. So all the homeworks, all the quiz, and the test except the final exam will be done via connectmath.com. Now, how do you create an account on Connect Math? You just click this link, okay, and then click the sign up now. Let me show you how do you do that. Okay, so what you need to do is, let me show you that. So this is the connectmath.com. Okay, this is the connectmath.com. You will see that new user, sign up now. Okay, click that, and then it will ask the class code. This is the class code. Okay, so this is the class code you will have to use there. All right, use the class code, use this class code, and then after you use the class code, let me use the class code and then show you how that works. Okay, XH6VD, and then on the other side of that you do QPPDN, and when you enter that and continue, then it will show you the course information. You see that? Class is Math 1401, section 30393, spring 22, elementary statistics, You see that? That's my name, instructor name, and then your school information, and then you do confirm there. Okay, you do confirm at the bottom, press confirm, and then it will ask you some more of your information there, your email address and so on. Okay, and then you log in, you sign up on the Connect Math, which is the homework, test, and quiz software. Okay, guys. So once you click that, once you create an account, then you will see. So you will set up your account, and then once you log in that with your ID and password, don't forget your ID and password. This is what you will see. Okay, I will click that, and then you see all the homework and test and quiz there. Okay, guys. So this is how you set up your Connect Math account. All right. So calculator, a graphing calculator is required for this course. The math department highly recommends and provides support for TI-84. I can help you with TI-83 as well. I'm pretty sure that you have this calculator. If you do not have one, I suggest you buy TI-84 plus CE. That has so many other functions, other features that you might need in this class and future classes. Okay. So if you are buying a new calculator, I recommend it to you to buy TI-84 plus CE. Use of cell phones as calculator is forbidden in this course. During the exam and the final, you are not allowed to share calculator with your classmates. So general description of the and the prerequisite for this course is an introduction to basic descriptive and inferential statistics. It covers measure of central tendency, variability, and position, statistical graphs and diagrams, confidence interval hypothesis testing, application involving binomial, normal, t, chi-square, and f distributions, and correlation and regression analysis. The emphasis is on application rather than a mathematical theory. Both calculator and computer techniques will be stressed. So the total is 3 credit hours course. And the prerequisite is you need to have math 1001, 1101, or math 1111. Okay? Alright, the next thing that I forgot to mention earlier is whenever you sign in to this account, www.connectmath.com account, when you sign up, okay, when you sign up with that account, let's say you sign up, okay, and then when you log in to the Connect Math account, this is what you will see on the course, okay, and then go to your section there. You see that on the top right hand corner, ebook, calendar, and help. So you will, when you click that ebook, that means you will get the electronic version of your book. So basically you don't need to buy the hard copy of the book, okay? So just click there and then you read chapter 1, you can read all the book material there, okay? So this is how it works. So basically you don't need to buy the hard copy of the book. You can just use that electronic version of the book, okay guys? And then again, whenever you log into your account, you see all the homeworks, all the quiz and test already. You see that when they are due, okay. And then how do I do a particular homework problem? You just click that homework problem or go to action and then preview. This is the teacher's version, okay. So you just click the homework, you will be able to log into the homework, okay, guys. All right, that's how it works. And then let us talk about the course learning objectives, course learning outcomes there. So basically this course will teach you, focus you how to do the data manipulation. For example, display the data in graphs, okay, and how to find the outliers, how to draw the graphs, how to draw the box plot, pie chart, and all other type of things. Also finding the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, percentile, quartiles, all those kind of things, okay? And we will talk about the probability also, and we will talk about the distribution, normal distribution, positively, negatively skewed distribution, area under the normal distribution, all those kind of things. And also we'll be talking about the confidence interval and hypothesis testing, p-values, all those kind of things. And then create a sampling design, take a sample, analyze the result, and conduct the hypothesis testing. Okay, these are basically the outcomes for this course. And next is the tentative course outline. As I mentioned that you have the book on your Connect Math account. Okay, so you can access your book from the Connect Math account. And if you look at the book, these are the chapters we will be focusing. We will be asking in your test and homework and quiz, okay? Chapter 2 through chapter 10, but without chapter 9, okay? All right. So another important thing is the teaching, attendance, and the exam policies. So this is the online class. All lectures, homework, quizzes, and tests are online. They are all in the Connect Math account, okay? But the final exam will be in the Georgia View though, okay? So don't try to search your final exam. So I will send you another email towards the final exam, okay, when we get close to the final exam. But yeah, so keep this in mind that all the test, quiz, and homework are in Connect Math right now, but the final exam will be the Georgia View, okay? And another thing is the lecture notes for each chapter will be posted in the Georgia View. If you look at the Georgia View, click the Georgia View, I'll be able to see the course that is section 7 of the statistic, elementary statistics, section 7. If I click that, this is your course. This is your stat course, okay? And if you click the content, okay, under the content you can see the syllabus and the course calendar, okay? And also lecture notes and the video link in the lecture notes, okay? You see that if you click, for example, if you click the lecture 1 and 2 lecture note, chapter 1 and 2 lecture note, this is what you will see, okay? And then you can read all those notes, that quick notes I made it here. Or what you can do is you can also, and you should read, and then also you can click that, okay? Click the link. Whenever you click the link, a new YouTube link will open that I created those YouTube videos. Okay, guys? Actually, we do not ask chapter 1 on the test. It is just okay, all the details you can see that on the YouTube whenever you click that link, okay? So what I suggest is you watch the video, read the notes, and make your own note. Whenever you read, finish reading, or while you are reading, you can make your own notes, okay? So that it is easy on your own way, so that it is easy for you to prepare for the test, homework, and the quiz. Okay, guys? So that's how you access the lecture notes. Again, content. And then you see the lecture notes and video link. Just click that. You will see the list of the lecture notes. And in each lecture notes, you will be able to see the link. You see that? YouTube video link. YouTube video link there. You see that? There are inside that box. Okay? And then click that and you will see how I did all the examples in the YouTube videos. Okay, guys? So this is what I meant on this. Lecture notes for each chapter will be posted in Georgia View. It includes all teaching materials, including the links for the YouTube videos. You need to watch the videos by clicking the corresponding links in the lecture notes. You need to make your own notes after watching videos and reading the lecture notes. It is your responsibility to watch weekly videos, make own notes, and do online homework. And you may be curious, what do you mean by the weekly videos? You see that? If you look at the course calendar on the Georgia View, you see this file, okay? Let me show you from there. So if you look at the course calendar there, you see that syllabus and course calendar. Looking at the course calendar for this section, you see that on the first day is January 12th, but Thursday is so you can again, since this course calendar is for the face-to-face class, okay? But what I suggest is you start reading from the first day of the class, okay? And then read the introduction is chapter 1 and then 2.1, section 2.1. And also read 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4 on the first week, okay? First and second week. And then on the following Sunday, on 23rd, there will be quiz 1. And all the homework will be due on that day as well, okay? So basically up to the January 23rd, you should be reading chapter 1 and 2. Do all the online homework and do the quiz 1. Quiz 1 it will be open on January 23rd. You don't see quiz 1 today, okay? So you should wait to January 23rd. So on the January 23rd in the morning, the quiz will be open and it will stay available all day on that day. So similarly, the other quiz and the test, okay? The test will show up only on that day and it will stay there only that day. And then it will be closed on the evening or the midnight of that day. Okay, that's how we work. So basically, we start reading on your own speed. Okay, make your own note, watch the videos, and then be prepared to complete your homework by 23rd. Homework of chapter 1 and 2 by 23rd, and then be prepared to take the quiz 1 on 23rd. Basically how it works is every chapter has a chapter quiz, okay, and after every 2 chapters there will be a test. All right, this is how it works, and the homework are available to do anytime. Okay, you can do all the homework on the first week, no problem, but you need to be finishing the homework that are due on that week. Almost every week there is some homework due. Okay, so you should be watching the videos, create the note, read the notes, and then do the homework problem. Okay, that is your responsibility. All online homework, quizzes, and tests are in Connect Math. You need to log into your Connect Math website to see the due dates of each homework and quiz and test. So it is your responsibility to follow the due dates. Okay, so note the due dates, and then you can make your own calendar and then see which homework are due what day, and then follow that way. All right. So it is your responsibility to find out the due dates for each of the homework and test and quizzes. Okay. The online homework will be assigned in chapter basis. The due date for the homework will be available in your Connect Math account. Late homework will not be accepted as the homework site will be deactivated after the due date. The due dates for the quizzes and tests are available on the course calendar posted in the Georgia View. These are the due dates for the quiz and the test. Okay. And you are expected to complete the quiz or test by yourself on the test day. Late test quiz will not be accepted as the quiz and test site will be deactivated after the due date. All homework, quiz, and test must be done by yourself. In case of the online quiz, homework, test, you cannot use outside sources such as any tutors, internet applications, solution manuals. So you cannot get help from anybody on your homework, test, and quiz. Okay, guys? And then if I find copying or getting help from other sources, your grade for the test or quiz or homework will be automatically 0. All right? And this is very important thing I bold here. After each quiz or test, you may have to sit in one-on-one meeting with me, online meeting, that will be via Zoom, or it could be via the Teams, okay, to discuss about your test performance. You will have to explain steps of your test work on the meeting, okay? So I will ask you, how did you do this problem? And you'll have to explain me, okay? After each quiz or test, I may contact you, okay? And then ask you to explain some of the questions that you did in the test. How did you do it? Okay, those guys, you need to show your work to me on our meeting. All right, no makeup exams will be given except some emergencies. You must provide official documents, either doctor's excuse or authorization from any other personalities here, okay, that show the reason you have missed the exam. And then there is a AAC, the free tutoring center, in the 2nd floor. I think that is the 2nd floor of the library. Okay. So it was in the 1st floor of the Carlton, not the 1st floor. It should be. I think it is in the 2nd floor right now, if I'm not wrong. Okay. And then the details of the hours and other things will be available on this website. So the homework and quizzes, homework is 15%, that is the website, sorry, the Connect Math homework is 15%, quizzes are 15%, there will be 4 tests, total 50%, each test carries 12.5%, and the final exam is comprehensive, that will be 20%, okay? The dates and the detailed course calendar is posted in the Jersey View, that's what I'm showing here, and then the final comprehensive exam date is on May 10th, okay? Again, I will send you the details later, okay? May 10th, I will open, I will open the final exam in the Georgia View, okay? It will be in Georgia View. Final exam will be in the Georgia View, okay? And the final exam will be open, I think it will open at 8 o'clock and close at 7 o'clock at the evening. And it will be a time test, okay? Time final exam, 2 hours. And you will have to finish, once you start, you will have 2 hours to complete that, okay? Similarly, the quiz and test in the Connect Math, there will be the time test. Once you start, you will have a certain time to finish that, okay? The final exam will be online in Georgia View. The details of the final exam will be sent later. These are the grading scale, and then important dates, okay? So, so these are the last day of dropping a course without double grading, January 19, 1 week from the start date, okay? Last day to drop the class with W grade is March 7th. Last day of the class is May 4th. Reading day is May 5, and final exam is May 6 to 11. For this class, the final exam is on May 10th. Okay, that's what I already mentioned you. All right. So college policy and academic dishonesty. You can read all these. You guys know these already, that you cannot copy and get help on the test. You can copy the answers to the homework and test and quiz to other people. So that will be plagiarism. Okay, and strong steps will be taken against if anything found copying from the other or getting help in the test or quiz or homework. All right, so you can read all those the standard statements. And that's all. So if you have any question, you can email me. So at the very end, you can see the ABAC's COVID guidelines. Okay, so if you get a COVID, or then you can contact to the student health center, and then you can get tested, and then so they will email me about that thing. Okay, so all the other things are standard, but you can read again. If you have any question, you can email me back, or you can join the Zoom meeting. Okay, guys. All right. So good luck again. Thank you for registering in this section. So actually, if you work on schedule, like on the careful, if you are careful on the due dates and work on the schedule, like watching the videos, doing the homework, making your own notes, you should be okay. This is very applied course, and this is easier. Okay, it doesn't have much math. All right, guys. Okay, thank you.